Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any word into unreadable word in your Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser, and in the Google search you need to search the application name as Morse F-Droid. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see its website link. Just click on it. Now you can see a Morse convert text into Morse code and vice versa. So just scroll down below, and now you can see here download APK. Just click on download APK. Now it's being downloading, so wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. Now the download has been completed, so just tap on the file. Now you can see here install. Just tap on install to install the application. So just click on open to open the application. Just click on allow. Now you can see its user interface. Right now in the above you can see text to Morse, right? Morse means it will convert into like dash 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 or some hash 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 samples. So let us type some words. Say I'll type hello. So you can see below it's being converted into some symbols like alphabets, right? So this is not an alphabet. So what you can do, you can just copy by clicking the copy on the right bottom. You can copy, and you can check out whether it is converted to the respective word or not. So let us convert now from the unreadable word to the text, that is from the Morse to the text. So you can see on the up the two arrow icons, right? Just tap on it. We'll just reverse now from Morse to text, that is from unreadable to the text. So we'll just paste here the sample. So you can see the above one was Morse code, that is unreadable word, and now below it is translated to the original word which we have typed earlier. So using these cool applications you can easily convert any word into unreadable word, and you can convert again from unreadable to the readable word using this cool application. So definitely you should try it out, and it's very useful if you want to send some encrypted word or unreadable word so that nobody can find out what you have typed or what this symbol indicates. So definitely a cool application to check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.